So we will discuss about quinolones. So quinolones are the family of synthetic broad spectrum antibiotic with bactericidal activity. The first generation of the quinolone begins with nalidixic acid in 1962 for the treatment of urinary tract infection. Classification of quinolone: first generation quinolone is nalidixic acid, second generation quinolone is norfloxacin, ofloxacin, ciprofloxacin, lomifloxacin. Third generation quinolone is sparfloxacin, getifloxacin and levofloxacin. And last one, fourth generation quinolone is moxifloxacin and citalfloxacin. After that is SAR of quinolone. So the basic structure of quinolone is, that is the basic structure of quinolone. If any substitution at one position, so the potency and pharmacokinetic property is influenced, whether increases or decreases. Any substitution at second position, there is no effect of any substitution on second position. Third and fourth position, third position carboxyl group and fourth position keto group is essential for quinolone's activity. If we replace these third or fourth group with any other group, that quinolone activity, or we can say that antibacterial activity, diminishes or decreases. Substitution at fifth position: any substitution at fifth position enhance the activity against a gram-positive bacteria. Substitution at sixth position enhance antibacterial potency, antibacterial activity. At seventh position, piperazine ring or N-methylpiperazine ring gave active compound. Substitution at eighth position, insertion of fluoro or chloro at eighth position give active compounds. After that, mechanism of quinolones. So what is the basic mechanism of quinolone? Quinolone binds to the A subunit of the DNA gyrase, that is topoisomerase second type of enzyme, prevent the binding of substrate to active site of the DNA. So ultimately block the unwinding of the double strand into single strand DNA. That is why the unwinding is due to unwinding or blocking of unwinding, the prevention or synthesis of mRNA is inhibited. Due to this, the bacterial protein synthesis inhibited, so antibacterial effect is attained. So the therapeutic uses of quinolone are mainly urinary tract infection, intestinal infection, soft tissue infection, respiratory tract infection. So the first drug of quinolones is ciprofloxacin. That is the synthesis of ciprofloxacin, where trifluoroacyl chloride, benzene acyl chloride react with the in presence of chloroform trichloromethane and triethylamine to produce an intermediate. After producing an intermediate, by reaction of intermediate with cyclopropylamine, it get converted, the N-methyl is converted into cyclopropyl group. After cyclopropylation, when reaction with K2CO3 base, the cyclopropyl group is detached and the intermediate will difluoro, and the side chain will be cyclized, and side chain cyclized with difluoro benzene ring, or further react with in presence of piperazine HCl to produce ciprofloxacin. Ciprofloxacin has same mechanism of action as we discussed earlier, And the therapeutic uses of ciprofloxacin is skin infection, bone and joint infection, respiratory tract infection, and urinary tract infection. Next drug is norfloxacin. Norfloxacin antibiotic that belong to the class of fluoroquinolone antibiotic. Use of norfloxacin uses urinary tract infection, gynecological infection, inflammation of prostate gland, gonorrhea and bladder infection. Next drug is enoxacin. Enoxacin is broad spectrum fluoroquinolone antibacterial agent, also used in urinary tract infection, gonorrhea. Next, ofloxacin. Ofloxacin is an antibiotic useful for the treatment of number of bacterial infections when taken orally. Its therapeutic uses of ofloxacin is pneumonia, urinary tract infection, prostatitis, plaque, diarrhea. Lomifloxacin is an antibiotic used to treat bacterial infection including bronchitis and urinary tract infection. Sparfloxacin is an antibiotic used in a class of drug called fluoroquinolone, mainly used for the respiratory tract infection. Next drug is getafloxacin is an antibiotic of fourth generation in a quinolone, inhibit the bacterial enzyme DNA gyrase topoisomerase 4. Last, moxifloxacin is a fluoroquinolone antibiotic that fight bacteria in the body. Therapeutic uses of moxifloxacin is skin infection, sinus, lungs infection, and stomach infection. So the basic mechanism of drug like norfloxacin, enoxacin, ofloxacin, lomifloxacin, sparfloxacin, and getafloxacin, moxifloxacin is as same as for quinolone. Next drug is furazolidine. So the furazolidine is a nitrofurantine bacterial agent and monoamine oxidase inhibitor. So the mechanism of furazolidine binds to DNA, interferes with the DNA replication and protein production. So there is a structure of furazolidine. Therapeutic uses used in the treatment of travelers diarrhea, typhoid fever, cholera, salmonella infection. Next drug is nitrofurantine. Nitrofurantine is an antibiotic used to treat bladder infection. So nitrofurantine mainly used for the bladder infection or urinary tract infection. Next drug, the synthesis of nitrofurantine. So nitrofurantine synthesized from between the reaction between the glycine, that is NH2COH and urea at 110 degrees Celsius in the presence of HCl and water. It will form one amino hydrantoin. After that, upon addition of acetic acid and sulfuric acid on acidic condition and the presence of in the presence of nitrofuraldehyde, it will get converted to nitrofurantine. Next drug is methenamine. Methenamine is also known as hexamethylene, tetramine or urotropine or hexamine. So this drug is used mainly for the treatment of urinary tract infection. The mechanism of action is of methenamine is decomposed slowly in acidic urine to release formaldehyde, which inhibit the bacterial synthesis. Thank you. Here's some summary of the quinolones drug.